All right, a quick algebra review. The general protocol is whatever's done to one side of the equation, you have to do to the other side of the equation. In this first problem, we're asked to solve for V1. So we have M1, V1 is equal to M2, V2 to start. To get V1 by itself on one side of the equation, what we have to do is to divide each side of the equation by M1. This causes M1 to cancel out on this side of the equation, and we can rewrite our final answer. So we have V1 is equal to M2 times V2 divided by M1. Now this next problem is a little bit more difficult. Okay, we have to start by subtracting 32 from each side of the equation. So the result is f minus 32 is equal to 9/5 times c. And we can get c by itself by multiplying each side of the equation by 5/9. And you see what that does for us is that 9 here cancels, the 5 cancels. We have c by itself on one side of the equation, and the result is c is equal to f minus 32 in parentheses times 5/9. And this equation is useful when we're trying to go from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Now for our last example, we're going to do what's called cross multiplying. We're going to multiply V2 times T1, and that's going to equal V1 times T2. This is the strategy I use anytime what I'm solving for is in the denominator. We're solving for T1, so we divide each side of the equation by V2. That allows us to cancel out V2, and now T1 is by itself on that side of the equation.